and Pathfinder Semi-Tactical Inspection for the year 2026. Allow me to formally welcome and introduce to you our respective team. Our respective team this morning is headed by our Davao Mission Director, Education Director, Master Guide Cheryl Hodge. Let's give them a round of applause. To our former Northern Davao Mission Education Director, Master Guide Crisolito Cabrera. Welcome, sir. Our new Education Director from Northern Davao Mission, Master Guide Imalin Anilao. Welcome, ma'am. The Academy Principal from Samyog International Academy, Master Guide Naomi Javier. Welcome, ma'am. From the Secretarial Office of Davao Mission, welcome, Sir Albert Lazado. And from our Southeastern Philippine Union Education Director, welcome, Master Guide Dr. Perlin Panes. We also acknowledge the presence of our directors from our Davao Mission. We have from the Youth Department, Pastor Ernie Himerus, and from the Ministerial Department, we have Pastor Ranil